Today's video is the color of the flowers for January. January have two colors for the flowers, and the flowers for January, they are Carnation and Snowdrop. Snowdrop is white and Carnation have many different colors, but for this eye look I pick the pink Carnation. So I'm putting the white all over my eyes to represent and symbolize the snowdrop flower for January. The snowdrop is used to express both sympathy or celebration. That is what the snowdrop flower is about. What you do to one eye, you do to another. So I have the white to represent and symbolize the snowdrop flower for January. Snowdrop, white. The second color for January is Carnation. I pick pink Carnation for my eye look. Because there are many color carnations, but the pink Carnation symbolizes affection and also a mother's love. So pink Carnation and Snowdrop are the two colors for the month of January. Those are January colors for flowers. Those are January flowers. And I pick pink Carnation. You can pick any Carnation and Snowdrop for the color. The Power of Love card for today is creativity. You love to devise new ideas, innovations, and form of illumination. Creativity is your positive. Creativity is your Power of Love card for today. Use it wisely, let it feed your soul, your mind, and your spirit. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I Simply Makeup is saying life is short, enjoy it the best way possible. This is today's eyeshadow makeup look. Let it inspire you to do something different every single day. Today's eyeshadow makeup look is pink and white. The white represents the Snowdrop flower and the pink represents the pink Carnation flower. Both of these flowers are for January. And I pick the pink Carnation because it represents affection and a mother's love. And the white Snowdrop is used to express both sympathy and celebration. So again, January, these are your two color shades in flower. Bye.